Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. Then you can see in the right hand side this is search button, just click on it and after that enter your model number Z690 AXV3, then hit enter. Then click of name of title. After that normally open new tab and then click to support. So select any operating system because installations process same. You can see this video and install a driver any operating system. Okay, audio driver. So this is audio driver and this is, I just click to download. You can see this is start downloading. Just complete it. I click to open. After complete, then double click to exe. You can see this is extract to your system for the installation. Then click on yes. After that you can see this is extract to installations. Now you can see this is installing the audio driver. It will take some time. It will close automatically as this is installed. So this is closed means this is installed. Close it.